Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a 1-minute microwavable pizza. Everyone will love it and it's going to be your go-to snack because it's so easy to make and it's incredibly delicious. Now let's get to the recipe. Firstly, we're going to make the dough. To make that, add 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl and add half teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. And add 2 tablespoons of milk. Depending on the flour, you may need an additional half teaspoon of milk. And just mix it all together. These are all the ingredients that you need to make the dough. There's no yeast in the recipe, so that's why there's no chilling time, so you don't need to wait 1 or 2 hours for the dough to rise, and instead you can just make it instantly, which is so easy. If your dough comes out too wet, you can always add a little bit more all-purpose flour to make it perfect. Now you can take the dough out of the bowl and knead it onto the surface and knead the dough for about a minute or until it comes together. It will only take a minute or 2. Form a bowl with the dough and roll the dough until it's about 1/4 inch thick. For this video, I'm just making a normal cheese pizza, a really basic one, but you can always add any extra toppings that you want. If you're new to my channel and like this video, then go down below and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Get a parchment paper and transfer the rolled dough into the parchment paper and roll it once again. If you missed any of the ingredients that I listed, don't worry at all because I'm going to list them down below in the description box so you can check them out anytime. Once you like the thickness and the shape of your base, now you can poke some holes with a fork. We're going to pre-bake this in the microwave so the holes will prevent the dough from puffing up. And now you can add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. And if it's not seasoned, then you can just add pepper and salt on top of it, or you can buy the actual pizza sauce. The reason why we pre-bake this is once we add the cheese in, the cheese will melt and the dough wouldn't have a chance to cook. Spread the tomato sauce nice and even throughout the whole base. Now I'm going to season it with some pepper and some salt. You can also add spices like oregano or basil. Now we're going to transfer this to the microwave and microwave this for about 40 seconds. Note that all microwaves are different, so the timings may differ. Once you get it out of the microwave, you can see that the dough has risen and puffed up a little and it looks thicker than before, which is what we're going for. And now just add some cheese on top. So I think I roughly added about 2 tablespoons of cheese. You can totally add more or less cheese depending on your taste. And to top it all off, I'm going to sprinkle some tomato sauce all over the place just because it tastes so much better like this. Once you're satisfied with all the toppings, you can now microwave it in the microwave for about 35 seconds. And once again, every microwave is different, so this might take you about 40 seconds or less time. Here we have our 1-minute microwavable pizza all ready. Allow the pizza to sit for 2 minutes and then enjoy it immediately. Now, because we did it in the microwave, you can't eat it after 1 hour or something. It will not taste good. So you have to eat it immediately. Look at how cheesy it is. It's so delicious and it will be your go-to snack in the evening, after school or any other time. And note that the crust will not be brown because we did it in the microwave. It will still be cooked perfectly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!